Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okerzinski with your Week 8 and final Screencast videos. There'll be no other videos from me this week, so please be aware of the content here and that the course is ending. So, discussion board number, let's get to that here. Discussion board number 11, exercise 5.1. The initial post is due on Sunday. Responses will be due on Tuesday. I might have mentioned that in the lecture video, but 5.1 is a worthwhile activity, highlighting source material and looking at how integrated and balanced your research essay is. Following the exercise is a beneficial activity as far as blending sources. Make sure there is sufficient amount of you integrated to what your sources or the they say is. All right. So the final draft of the research paper has to be uploaded to Blackboard by Friday end of day. Saturday, all assignments will end. Nothing will be accepted after Saturday at 11:59. I want to make everyone aware that, once again, I don't accept emailed assignments. So anything that is sent to me after that time frame will not be accepted and counted as a grade. So make sure that you are checking your email and Blackboard often. Sometimes I do get some faulty submissions. I want to say that they're faulty submissions. You want to make sure that you're paying attention come Friday and Saturday, just in case I cannot open a document, there's a problem with the submission, that you are available to take action before the course ends, just in case something else has to be submitted. My suggestion to you is, if you've posted a first draft this past week, if you've gotten my feedback and some peer review activity on it, you might want to revise that and upload that before Friday's deadline. I urge you all to be proactive this week, because once these assignments close, that will be it. I think I've given very little time by the college to post grades going into the beginning of next week. So be aware that that time frame that's out there. Once again, I've been looking at the discussion boards and some of the peer review activity. Hopefully there'll be a little bit more activity. People have posted up drafts, and the second peer review will be due. I'm producing this on Sunday, so the second peer review is going to be due tonight. Hopefully within a couple of days, peer reviews will be all wrapped up. Be aware of the first draft peer review policy listed in the syllabus. So you want to be aware of that activity and the penalty that's involved there. The idea here is you want to make sure that you're able to go to work on that final draft and upload it before that Friday deadline. That's all I really have for this week. If you have any questions or issues, you're really going to want to send me an email early. I'll do my best to review first drafts that have been submitted late. So be aware of checking on Blackboard often during this week. I urge you. Good luck to you all. It's been a great short semester. Good luck at your studies at COD and beyond. Thank you.